It is with great pride and immense joy that I welcome you all to Excel High School's first graduation ceremony. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of our graduates, their families, and our entire school community. To our distinguished graduates, today is a testament to your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. You have navigated a unique educational journey that required adaptability, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to your goals.
Very excited, very happy, a little emotional, trying not to cry.
It means now I can go and further my education. My mom is going to be very happy.
I'm so excited. I am ecstatic. I finally got my high school diploma. I was going through a lot, and I was like, I refuse to be in this spot forever. I want to get a career. I want to go to college. And so I came into the library just trying to fill out job applications, and I saw the big sign that says high school. So I was like, high school? And I went and I spoke to the librarian. I was like, hey, what is this program about? And they told me. I signed up. I got interviewed, and the question I always remember is, how can this diploma change your life? And I told them, I was like, I'm homeless and I want a better future for myself.
I've just been working a lot of jobs that I really don't enjoy, things that just don't make me happy. So getting my diploma means the most to me because I can go further and do something that I love.
Graduates, as you step into the next chapter of your lives, remember that the skills and knowledge you have gained here are just the beginning. Continue to pursue your passions, embrace new challenges, and never, never stop learning.
You now can move your tassels to the left, and you're all official. Congratulations to them.
I am enrolled at Valencia College to start January of 2025. I'm going for business administration with specialization in HR management.
I'm in college, so I'm going to be studying office administration and journalism.
I am going to enroll in college. I'm supposed to start in January for Valencia, so that's going to be my first step. I'm going for health administration, business, and I'm going to just keep going as far as I can go. I'm old, but I'm going to keep going.